Talking of AI, there's this one called Soloist AI or Solo by Mozilla. And yes, as you can see on the screen here, this is what it can do. It can create a website. I mean, if you go through their website, there's a lot to know about these guys. But first of all, we are going to use it straight away. Let's get started. Now we click on create your website, and then you enter a description. So what's your website about? You enter, a description of your website. So okay, so if we come here, we can paste this prompt here. Okay. Now we can come here and say, guys, and the location is optional, but we can say Nigeria, and then existing web link. We don't have any yet, so let's click on next. Now you have to choose your font style. There's bubble, there's monospaced, simple, modernist, and let's go with modernist. Are we friendly or okay? Let's just do modernist. Okay, and then our colors. We can go with, let's say, the default one, but you can choose any one of these. It's fine. Okay, but let's go with the default one here. Click next. Or better still, let's go with choose a color. Okay, this is the one we're going with. Okay, let's just go with that. Now, choose a section. We have a header and footer. We have introduction, services, gallery. We are not doing gallery. We have text banner, image banner. We have theme, of course. We have video. Do you have video scheduling? We have reviews. We have reviews, article, and we have FAQ, contact, and this one. So let's click on that, and then you see it's creating our website already. Not taking too much time. Okay, so it has created the about page, the font, whatever. Now it's done. In less than few seconds, it's done creating our website. So let's go preview our website and see what it looks like. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, this is not bad. Okay, the FAQ. Actually, you have the option. If you click on any section or element, you have the option to change the information there. Okay, to delete, add, and do all sort of other things, which is fantastic. There's about us here. It says stay connected, made with Solo. Okay, this is not bad. The only thing I think it should have given me, an option, the option to choose from different themes, but you can come down here to themes and then choose, for example, your color, the fonts. We are using Urbanist, and that's pretty much about the theme. You can change the theme here. You can replace it. You can replace the font. For example, you can click here and change it to this. Once you save, everything changes, and you can come to the font and change that. You can manipulate that here, and then you see all the section there. Right, so let's preview this website. On mobile, this is how it's going to look like. Okay. All right. The team, we have our team there. All right. Okay. So you're just looking for a simple way, to own a website. I mean, it's for those who like to use AI to, I mean, build AI to build a website. This is a good start. Will I use it? Maybe and maybe not. I professionally, to be frank, yes, I will use this if there is any need for it, and if not, I think they did a good job, but it's for beginners. To be frank. And then to publish our website, we can click there, and then you must create a solo account. So we go ahead and click on here, and we create our account, and you can create account, with your Gmail, and then it allows you to publish your website. So yeah, play with it if you like what you see. Maybe you don't want to spend money to own a website. It's a good start. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.